Good morning, everyone. Sangeeta, Hemant, Jyoti,
Good morning, sir.
Good
Mithul,
morning,
Pratik,
sir.
Good,
Good morning, sir.
Shirish, Rita, Sachin, Amar, Shana, Mangesh, Balmukund. So, Monday morning, I really appreciate your commitment to be there. So, start of the week, very important. So, if Monday morning is perfect, then the entire week will go perfect. So, it's very nice. Okay, so let's begin today with a discussion about Swadhisthana Chakra. So I'll tell you a little bit about Swadhisthana Chakra and then we'll also do a meditation. Swadhisthana Chakra is basically the location is 2 inch below the 1 inch actually below the navel, and the color is orange. Few things you already know. It is key to your creative energy, and the element of this chakra is water. And many emotional issues, behavioral issues like feeling bored or listless or uninspired is linked to this. Uh, Low libido is also related to this. And physical symptoms, if this chakra is blocked, is there can be uh, allergies or addictive behavior. Addiction could be not only to drugs or alcohol, it could be to something else like maybe addicting to shopping or addiction to eating or addiction to television or gambling or addiction, any kind of addiction. So, it's basically how you feel. Are you feeling inspired? Are you feeling there is purpose in life? And are you having like playfulness, uh, like childlike playfulness? Or too much of, are you feeling too much of pressure? You're very serious in life. Seriousness is not required. You can be playful, you can enjoy life, you can relax, right? Life is for enjoying every moment. Then it is also responsible for your relationship and romantic relationships, and how much pleasure you get, that is also determined by the Swadhisthana chakra. How much pleasure you feel. If there is too much of significance to anything, then you can't enjoy that. If uh, seriousness, as I said, like that is one kind of disease you can say. So, and your ability to create new things, your ability to generate something, create something new, and be artistic in that. That is the Swadhisthana chakra. So, when this chakra is open and active, you feel dynamic. You can create something new. You can create new business. You can create new. You get new ideas, and you know you have confidence to make changes in your life, changes in your business, and you're full of creativity. So many thoughts, new ideas come, and you implement that also. Root chakra is also about implementation. Like root chakra means taking action on that. So if this sacral chakra is blocked, is not so developed, then people are lethargic, you know, or feel bored and lack creativity or inspiration, like what to do. They are not clear about what to do. They feel easily offended. Fear is there. Fear could be also because of the root chakra. guilt about the past, low self-esteem, low self-worth. They might be jealous about other people, and low energy, reduced libido, uh, bladder problems. So this could be these could be the problems which are there if it is like you know not balanced, right? And how to balance this? So we can do a meditation also. There is a meditation that we will do shortly. Other ways of balancing could be through food also. You can do balancing, like anything which is orange in color, you can eat that, or you can even wear orange clothes, that, or you can paint orange color in your house or something like that. Maybe have a painting of that color or something like that. So as far as eating is concerned, you can eat orange, you can eat what else is in orange color in food items. Also seeds, sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, all these things are also good for the sacral chakra. Coconut, coconut is also a seed, right? And so seeds are also good for this. And then there are affirmations. Other ways, we have already discussed other ways of balancing the chakras, which is applicable to the all chakras, which is deep breathing and Reiki, yoga. So those are basically common ways of balancing. I won't go into that. Now let's do a short meditation for the sacral chakra. Okay, so close your eyes, relax. Put your headphones on and start to notice your normal, natural breathing. Sit in a still position, and as you observe your breath, with each breath, you're going deeper and deeper. And as you go deeper, your body relaxes, all your muscles relax, and the tension melts away. You can feel the relaxing happen in your body. And also, you can deepen that relaxation by relaxing your eyelids, eyebrows, and allowing this relaxation flow into your facial muscles, throat, shoulders, arms, chest, back, stomach, waist, thighs, knees, calf muscles, feet. Relax. Repeat the word relax 3 times in your mind. Relax, relax, relax. Wow. It's so wonderful to be deeply relaxed. Now imagine that you are sitting on the planet Earth, which is anyways true. Just remember the Earth and the core of the Earth and connect to the core of the Earth. Just imagine the core of the Earth and say, energy pull, energy pull, energy pull, and let this energy of Earth enter your root chakra, energize it with red color, and it forms a ball of red color around the root chakra, and it also rises to the sacral chakra, And it continues to rise to other chakras as well. But let's bring our attention to the sacral chakra and let this energy heal your sacral chakra, forming a ball of orange energy. Imagine this ball getting bigger and brighter and healing your sacral chakra deeply, cleansing, healing, and balancing the sacral chakra. You can feel the warmth, the energy, the vibration. The loving energy of earth is healing the sacral chakra deeply and completely. Wow, it's such a wonderful feeling. Be grateful and thankful to Mother Earth for healing the sacral chakra completely. Many issues of the past have been resolved just now. Many things have been resolved. The effects of this will be known in the forms of miracles and coincidences in today and the next few days. Just feel the relaxation, the healing, and be thankful the healing for the healing that has just happened. And as it continues and heals deeply many things of this and previous lifetimes, let us also repeat these powerful affirmations in our mind. Follow me. I deserve to experience pleasure and have my needs met. I am confident that what I create and offer to the world is wonderful. It is safe to express my sexual self in a fun and creative way, which is healthy and wholesome. I attract wonderful relationships with love, and we give love and support to each other. I can embrace change easily and make the best future in the present. Every day I experience more and more joy and satisfaction in every moment of life. I am full of inspiration for creation, and I have unlimited potential for creating wonderful things in life. My body is vibrantly healthy and I am comfortable inside my body. I am a wonderful creative person and I love what I create. I create miracles in every area of life. I create solutions in every area of life. I get ideas to transform my life in every way. I am ready to create positive change every morning and every evening. I am deeply satisfied with what I have created. It is a wonderful experience to live life daily, and I am taking the best of it. I am grateful to the earth and the universe for this wonderful existence. By now, the sacral chakra has been deeply healed, and many issues of the past and even past lives have been resolved. The effects of these will be known in the days that come. Relax with a grateful and thankful heart. Thank everyone in your life, all the people who are there in your life, all your relationships, close relationships, family members, earth, universe, Reiki energy. Thank everyone and all the angels, ascended masters who are there who helping you, all your teachers, guides, spirit guides, guardian angel, everyone, your parents. And in this thankful and grateful attitude and state of mind, you can now slowly open your eyes, feeling fine, feeling relaxed, and knowing that some major changes have happened. Being thankful, being grateful. Open your eyes and rub your hands 10 times. Wonderful. So, so everyone, please write in the comments how was your experience? What did you, what happened? Like, what did you experience? The sensations, feelings, thoughts, impressions, and if you wish, you can unmute and speak also. Yes, wonderful, beautiful. It was nice. Great.